Gearbox. This is Udi Gearbox all the way in from Holland. This is Fiat's test driver. Udi, how does it feel?
And they're coming to the left.
Fuck off, I'm not your co-pilot, drive. Camera crews out all over the country today. Motocross 2008. This is serious shit.
Cops!
Yep, there you go, keep going, you're covered. RT's insurance covering you. Left. Down here, straight, jump in the road, 300, 300, straight, 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 up, 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 up,
I'm
up, 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 hard right, 50 yards.
Tom's house.
50 yards, cop's house, that's the stick. Where's the cop's house?
That's Tom's house.
Tom's house. Have to slow down. Right, we're back in action.
Jeez, the tires are balls. Fucking ass.
Yeah, that's perfectly normal. The diff is on, she feels rough. So I think we're off the course.
Yeah.
This is Udi Gearbox there. You're live at Udi here at Fiat's test driver. Here's the test drive for, used to also do a bit of test driving one time for Renault. He got sacked. He got sacked though because he got caught with a job by one of the mechanics. Another man. Straight. Keep her straight. Jump 50 yards. Up 50 up. 50 up. Serious. We're living every boy's dream. We're gaining on the Citroen Berlingo in front of us. It's only 50 yards now. It'll be only a matter of seconds between us. Just seconds between us. This is dog eat dog.
Chicken!
He's using an indicator. Professionalism from ourselves. Just keeping it at it. Recovery truck. It's hard luck for someone else. Heard it here first, and you heard it here first, ladies and gentlemen. We have no tyres. We're nearly at the toll bridge in Dublin now. We're doing it in an incredible time. Fucker isn't in the race. Yep. We nearly threw out theirs there, ladies and gentlemen.
Shit on the road. Sideways. Oh, jeez, then we might run out of petrol.
Not that I run out of petrol. Stop using my relay on television.
Coughlin's gay.
Yeah, Coughlin's yeah, he's queer. He wanted to show me his genitals. He wanted €70. Shit, we shouldn't have gone this far. Over here. Trying to talk to him himself. The woman broke it up with him, he's gone nuts.
Ah! I hate women! You can't talk me off this one! Ah!
Well, you have to get them down to Barrett's shed this morning. Oh, you'll see the surface here isn't too great. Lose it here, we're in big bother. Living every boy's dream. Look, there's more power than Ali's fucking tractor.
Ali's tractor was broke.
That's my point.
Did you time that wheel?
No, yeah. This is the hazards of rallying. We got him. Dummy. We dummied him and then we'll go on the inside instead of the outside.
Dead right. Brake.
Hard right. Hello? You finished? Did you? Right. Right. We'll pick you up now shortly. We'll get our way down that way. Right.